Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Fortnite card. First, find the 25 character code on the back of your V-Bucks card. Sometimes, you'll need to gently scratch off a silver panel to reveal the entire code. Make sure you have a strong internet connection, as this is crucial for a smooth redemption process. This easy method will have you ready to spend your V-Bucks in no time. Next, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Epic Games V-Bucks redemption website. It's important to log into the Epic Games account where you want the V-Bucks to appear. Always confirm you are on the legitimate Epic Games site to protect your account information. This step ensures your V-Bucks are credited to the right place. Now, carefully type the 25-character code from your card into the redemption box on the website. Take your time and double-check each character, especially distinguishing between letters and numbers that look alike, such as the letter O and the number 0. Once you are certain the code is correct, click the Redeem button to proceed. After clicking Redeem, you should see a confirmation message on your screen, letting you know the V-Bucks have been successfully added. Your V-Bucks will now be available in your Fortnite account. Simply launch the Fortnite game, and you'll find your new V-Bucks balance ready for you to spend on exciting new outfits, emotes, or other in-game items. Enjoy your purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.